So this Air Meet experience with the F1 alumni panel meet portfolio companies and ask questions via what is the event? It's through the Founder Institute, or actually it's a Founder Institute, but a what is it? A meetup for Los Angeles alumni, or sorry, the Los Angeles Startup Founder 101. And I have been trying to enter in every which way possible, but you can see it's basically dead. I've already registered. I've tried to gone through multiple other paths to get in here. I actually registered all this, and that's why I actually got an email. I'm not going to do it again because that would be like the third time. But anyway, this is really interesting because um, I'd love to take part. I actually have enjoyed the past experiences with the LA or the Los Angeles Startup Founder 101 meetup. Jonathan does a great job, or at least he seems to curate some really good groups of people, and this would have been pretty cool. Um, then again, it looks like three attendees, maybe myself. So maybe that's what the problem is nobody's going today. I don't know. So that could be an issue. But I did try to go in and I don't know. Contact support. So I don't know if I should blame AirMeet or I should be just unhappy that it didn't take place. So can't say, not sure. I hope Jonathan Greachin, you're okay. Um, Here, I'll do this. Did the event get canceled? Tried multiple times to enter the links via AirMeet. Cheers. So hopefully my comment will go up. Not 100% sure what's going on. So anyway, I'll try to send it to Jonathan Greachin, and let's see where this goes. Yeah.